Hi everyone, this is Mahinder and I welcome you all to LUHAR'S classes. How are you all? Doing good? Doing fine? I hope each and everyone is doing good, doing fine. Today in this video we'll learn about meaning of angle of elevation and angle of depression. Many children they fail to draw the figure for the question of some application of trigonometry because they doesn't understand the meaning of angle of depression and angle of elevation. Today in this video we'll learn what is the meaning of angle of elevation, what is the meaning of angle of depression, so that you can easily understand uh, the question and draw the appropriate figure so that problem can be solved very easily. Now without delay we'll learn the meaning of angle of elevation and angle of depression. By the way, if you like the content, if you feel content is useful, please subscribe to LUHAR'S classes. Subscribe to LUHAR'S classes. After subscribing, click on the bell icon. Click on the bell icon so that you can get instant notification whenever Mahendra sir uploads a new video on this channel. If you feel content is very good, please click on the like button. And don't forget to share the video with your friends so that maximum get benefit out of this. Now here goes the first concept, that is angle of elevation. But before that we should learn two terms. One term is horizontal line. You should know what is horizontal line, and let me write properly here. You should know what is horizontal line. You should know what is line of sight. Two things you should know. Okay. For example, this man is standing on ground. This man is standing on ground and there is a building. He is observing the top of the building. He is observing the top of the building. He is observing this part of the building. He is observing the top of the building. So let me join top of the building with the eye of the person. Okay, so let me join properly. The line which joins eye of the person and the object is called as line of sight. Are you getting me? This line is formed by joining eye of the person and the object. What is the object here? Top of the building. He is observing the top of the building. Got it? So here the line formed by joining eye of the person and top of the building is called as line of sight. So this is line of sight. This is line of sight. Now through the eye of person, let me draw a line parallel to ground. Through the eye of the person, let me draw a line parallel to ground. A line drawn through the eye of the person and parallel to ground, that line is called as horizontal line. The line is called as horizontal line. So this is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Now my question is the object placed above the horizontal line or below the horizontal line? Object is placed above the horizontal line. When the object is placed above the horizontal line, or when a man or a person or a child is looking above horizontal line or looking up, then the angle between line of sight and the horizontal line is called as angle of elevation. This is angle of elevation. In case of angle of elevation, object is above horizontal line, the person will look up. He is going to look up. Got it? So this is angle of elevation. What is line of sight? Line of sight is a line formed by joining eye of the person and the object. What is horizontal line? Horizontal line is a line parallel to ground passing through eye of the person. This is the angle of elevation. Let me give one more example. Before that, we'll learn. I want you to note down the definition of line of sight and angle of elevation. And if you feel that, sir, now I'll listen, then I'm going to note down. So you can download the notes which is present in the description. Okay. So what is line of sight? The line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. What is the angle of elevation? The angle of elevation of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is above the horizontal level. That is the case when we raise our head to look at the object. When a person is looking up, when a person is raising head up to look at the object, then we can say angle of elevation is formed. So let us try to form an angle of elevation here. First thing is the person looking up or down? The person need to raise his hand to look at the fan. The person need to raise his hand, not head. The person need to raise his head to look at the fan. Okay. So definitely angle of elevation is formed. So to form angle of elevation we need two things. One is we need line of sight. Second thing is we need horizontal line. To form angle of elevation we need two things. One is line of sight, other is horizontal line. So what is line of sight? How to get line of sight? We can join the eye of the person. We can join the eye of the person with the object. So this is line of sight. Next, what about the horizontal line? Horizontal line is a line starting from eye parallel to the ground. Horizontal line is a line starting from eye of the person and parallel to the ground. So this is horizontal line. Angle between line of sight and the horizontal line is angle of elevation. So this is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. So to form angle of elevation we need two things. One is line of sight, other is horizontal line. Got it? I hope the concept is clear. Here you should remember two things. One is in case of angle of elevation, person will be raising the head up. Second thing is object is above horizontal line. In case of angle of elevation, object is above horizontal line. Object is above horizontal line, or you can say horizontal level also, no problem. Got it? Next we'll learn about angle of depression. Okay, before going to definition, we'll learn meaning of angle of depression. By the way, to draw angle of depression we need two things again. We need a horizontal level, or we can say horizontal line. We need a horizontal line, and we also need a line of sight. We need two things for angle of depression too. Okay, so first we'll draw line of sight. How to draw line of sight? We need to join. How to draw line of sight? We need to join the eye of the person with the object. So this is line of sight. We have got line of sight. We got line of sight. Second thing is we need horizontal line. How to draw horizontal line? Horizontal line is a line starting from eye of the person, and parallel to the ground. So this is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Angle between horizontal line and line of sight is angle of depression. So this is angle of depression. This angle is angle of depression. Got it? This is angle of depression. So here in case of angle of depression we have noticed two things. Thing number one, object is below the horizontal line. This is object. No? This person is viewing the lunch box, I would say. This person is viewing the lunch box. So here object is below horizontal line. Object is below horizontal line. Horizontal line. And what is second thing? Second thing is person need to put his head down to view the object. Person's head should be down to view the object. Got it? Okay. Now let us see one more example to understand angle of depression perfectly. Okay. So here, see, there is a person here standing on top of the building. There is a person standing on top of the building. Now this person is viewing the car which is moving towards the building. Or you can say that car is placed or parked in front of building, and this person who is standing on top of the building is viewing the car. So to draw angle of depression we need two things. What is first thing? First thing is we need line of sight. Second thing is we need horizontal line. Second thing is we need horizontal line. So first we'll go with line of sight. Let me write properly here. First we'll go with line of sight. Line of sight. How to draw line of sight? We need to join the object. We have to join the object with the eye of the person. So we got our line of sight. We got our line of sight. Next we need horizontal line. What is horizontal line? Horizontal line is a line starting from eye of the person and parallel to the ground. Got it? So this is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Horizontal line is always parallel to ground. Okay, this is parallel to ground. Now angle between horizontal line and the line of sight, this angle is angle of depression. This angle is angle of depression. Got it? This angle is angle of depression. Now let us look at the definition of angle of depression. The angle of depression of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is below the horizontal level. That is the case when we lower our head to look at the object. In case of angle of depression, person will be looking down to view the object and the object will be below horizontal line. Okay, I hope the concept is clear to everyone. If it is not clear, I request you to mention in the comment section. Okay. In the next video, we will learn all problems of your 10th class related to angle of elevation. In one more video, we will learn all problems related to angle of depression. So Mahendra sir is going to make 2 more videos on this chapter so that you can master this chapter and you can score good in the upcoming CBSE term 2 examination. Got it? Right. Thank you then. And by the way, once again, if you like the content, please subscribe to LUHAR'S classes. You can type in the search bar LUHAR'S, LUHAR'S classes. Subscribe to LUHAR'S classes. Click on the bell icon to get notification. And don't forget to click on the like button if you like the video. And the most important thing is please share the video with your friends so that maximum get benefit out of this. Got it? Okay. Next, coming to notes. Notes is present in the description. So you click on the description. See, we have video description. Click on the description. So there I have given notes. Like I have given link of notes. Just click on the link so that you can download the notes. Thank you then. Have a good day. We shall meet back in the next video. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. Bye everyone.